What's going on with DJT, everybody? We got 4% yesterday. Today, 3% in the pre-market. We broke from this flag on the end of October. As we discussed, guys, we said at every beginning of every month, we have a drastic change in the price action. And of course, that's what happened. We have the breakout from that flag, and now we getting near the squeeze zone. What I mean by squeeze zone, we're going to discuss it in today's video. What's the game plan? What's the price target for the squeeze if we got that, and when we gonna have it? Because the market is about to close for this year. We almost have less than 1 month before the end of this year. So we're gonna discuss the price target for this year for DJT and the game plan, guys, for the market maker game plan. I don't care about day traders and the other traders who are buying just thousands. We're talking about big money, smart money. We're gonna discuss if they are started to buy JT. Guys, hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time on our YouTube channel, of course. If you are new here, we always do our live streaming as usual, but lately I was traveling for Thanksgiving, so that's why we don't have live streaming for this week. But starting from tomorrow, we're gonna do live streaming around 9 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube and 7 a.m. Eastern time as usual on our Patreon and Discord. So join us, guys, for exclusive live streaming where we discuss the entry and exit for many stocks. So for now, let's dive deeper and discuss DJT. Because, guys, look at this. We did 14% since the end of last month. Yeah, almost 16%. And we getting near the resistance. And the good thing is, as we discussed before, the confirmation that the market maker and the billionaires and smart money is still holding DJT after this huge drop is holding over the 25 and 23.30. So this is the most important bottom for this year. And of course, we held it for how long? We held it, we consolidate sideways, guys, almost 21 days. After that, you see, on the 21st day, we jumped. So this is good. The other good thing is the market maker bought over the 28.82. And that's why we have two buyers here around the 21st of November and here around the 19th of November, and the price bounced up. So this is another good reaction. You see what's going on, guys? The market maker don't buy very quick. They buy little, because if they bought big time, the price will jump, will be expensive for them, and they will not making money. You see what's happened here? They bought here, price bounce back or bounce up, and then went down, which is the day traders and the people who got bag holding for DJT before the election, and that's why the price pulled back. But this is not well selling. And again, here they bought it cheap at the same price that they bought it before. Price bounced back, and of course they bought here where the price jumped for DJT up. Let me know, guys, in comment section below. Let me know who's buying DJT slowly and smartly. Is it Elon Musk? Is one of the friends of Donald Trump, the billionaire's friends, buying it small and with a small position on the bottom? Let me know in comment section below, guys. And of course, right now it's getting near the 39.50. So now we're not clear yet, because after this breakout, yes, we are good, but the most important level that we have to break, you know why? Because this level, if we broke, is mean the short that shorted the DJT on the election day starting to cover up. What does it mean? It mean if they start to cover up, they will buy back their share, and this is will give us the parabolic price up fast, plus the formal price for new traders, seeing the price get over the psychological level over the $40. I'm making the 39.50 because, yeah, the $40 will be much stronger. But if we held over the 39.50, this will be much more than evidence for me that DJT started to have some action. Because you see here, even the candle is small and the volume is small. Yesterday we have 18 million. So you see, we went even around the 10 million. Right now, 18 million. the next week we might have 40 million, and then we come back to quarter billion. This is where the squeeze will start once we have a lot of volatility and a lot of volume coming up back again for DJT, because a lot of traders don't trust it anymore after the consolidation for many days. However, if we broke this resistant line and we go really quick around the 45.50 and do at least 30%, let me just check how much. Yeah, 20% again up. This will attract another traders, and everybody will know that DJT started to squeeze, and this will give us more blood, more volume, more action for DJT. But because right now, even the gap, you see, we have a 3% jumping, 2% yesterday, 4%. It's jumping slowly, because we're still below the resistance, and the short seller is still fighting from above. That's why we don't have like a jump of 15%, 20%, or 50%, which DJT normally do. For now, we're still jumping, but it's jumping slowly because it's getting near the resistance zone around the 39.50. Now, let us discuss where the price will go for this year. This will be a main question, and many of you watching this video concerned about. First, we have the 45.57. Why this level first? Because this is where we're gonna get a bit of pullback. And the second one is the 54.80, which is the most important level to break and go higher, big, toward another level, maybe even toward the 70 and almost around the $80. But for now, guys, the two level that we have to test first, at least the next week, if we have a squeeze, the first breakout from the 39, yes, we have the 45 and the 54, or below the 55 to be exact. Those two levels, because if we went there, we're gonna expect, yeah, from the orange line until here almost 38%. So this is good jump for DJT. And of course, this is not the squeeze. The squeeze should be around the 70 and the $80, and this will give us a squeeze of almost 100%. So many of you saying $100. For me, I will say around or below the $80 for this year if we really squeeze. Let me know in comment section below, guys, what you think the price will hit before the end of this year, around before the New Year's Eve or before the market close for this year. What the price you expect to go for DJT? Around the $80 or $70, $80, or below the 28 or around the $25. So there is no in between the around the 25 or around the $80 for DJT. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. And of course, we see you back as usual around 9 a.m. Eastern time to continue our hunt and continue our live streaming that we do on YouTube. And before that, and of course, around our Discord and Patreon around the 7 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.